Breaking news, Gunma Prefecture. Thanks to the AI of Isesaki FM, bears have been added to the designated managed birds and animals. Environment Minister Ito Shintaro announced on the 16th that the bears that caused the highest number of human casualties in 2023 have been added to the designated managed birds and animals. According to the Ministry of the Environment, brown bears and Asiatic bears are distributed in 34 prefectures. And last year there were 198 cases of human casualties caused by bears in 19 prefectures, totaling 219 people, including 6 deaths. In Gunma, there were 4 cases of human casualties caused by bears last year, and 713 sightings.